In an area of Nairobi known as Little Mogadishu, a group of Somali rappers have decided to fight terrorism not with weapons, but with music. The 18 members of a group called Waayaha Cusub, which means New Era in Somali, have penned a protest song against the violence by militant group Al-Shabaab.
I think for the songs, and I create to make reaction, because to tell the Somali community or Somali youth, don't follow the terrorism, don't enjoy the terrorism, don't kill anyone.
The lyrics of the song try to explain to people that the Quran doesn't ask believers to kill non-believers as a way of reaching paradise. The band have been making music together since 2004. They also organise concerts both in Kenya and in Somalia to spread their message of peace through rap and hip-hop.
Actually, they're receiving the message because there's a time we go to Somalia for a concert on March. Sorry, I said 400, it was 800 former Al-Shabaab kids, 800 kids. We performed for them, they were told, Skadafa, that was here, leave the violence. So we asked them, what do you think about us? They said that we think you are bad guys, but now we see you're good guys. We've seen a life, you sing for us, this is what life. We don't want to join Al-Shabaab again, we just want to live straight like other people.
But Waayaha Cusub are taking a risk in speaking out so publicly. All the band members have received threats, and Ali himself was shot outside his house. But despite this, they're determined to continue spreading the word of non-violence through music. Shelley Goodrick, Sky News.